3M Rugged Comfort Quick Latch Respirator. Comfortable, durable protection. Discover unparalleled comfort and protection with the 3M Rugged Comfort Quick Latch Facepiece. Reusable Respirator 6503QL. Engineered for harsh, dirty work environments, this respirator offers a combination of comfort, durability, and stability. The firm, lightly textured silicone faceseal ensures a secure fit, while the quick latch design allows for effortless one-hand operation, perfect for on-the-go use in contaminated areas. Experience ease of use like never before with the innovative quick latch mechanism, eliminating the hassle of removing hard hats or face shields when lowering or raising the respirator. Equipped with 3M's proprietary cool flow valve, breathing is made easier, while the valve cover directs exhaled breath and moisture downward, reducing fogging of face shields. NIOSH-approved and tested for superior performance, this respirator provides respiratory protection in workplaces with concentrations up to 10 times the permissible exposure limit (PEL). Its compatibility with all 3M bayonet-style filters and cartridges makes it highly versatile for various job environments, offering protection against gases, vapors, and particulate hazards. Crafted from resilient silicone, this respirator withstands long hours and extreme conditions, maintaining its shape even in high heat environments. The adjustable head harness assembly ensures a comfortable fit, while the low-profile design offers a wide field of view and compatibility with welding and grinding shields. Invest in the 3M Rugged Comfort Quick Latch Respirator for unmatched comfort, durability, and performance, designed for industrial and occupational use. This respirator is your reliable companion for respiratory protection in challenging work environments.